Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to today's session. And today we will cover our day four training of social media marketing. Uh, Please tell me that I am audible in the chat box if you are able to hear me loud and clear. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mahalakshmi, Lavi, Soumya, Jabni, Ashmita, everyone. Okay. So without wasting ado, let's start the session. And because we have to review your assignments. Okay. So let me share my screen now. Okay, guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen. Yes or no? Hello, guys. Are you see my screen? Uh, okay. Okay, awesome. Okay, so starting with the uh, so let me give you an overview about the assignment. Okay, so assignment was about to know the key factors of a business, okay, or how a business is impacting its services over the social media platforms, how they are able to generate leads for their business, how they are creating awareness for their businesses. Okay, so this was our mm, motive, okay, of doing social media auditing. Okay, so any of you that are not able to understand the concept of social media auditing, or it is very clear to you now that what is social media auditing? Okay, so just let me know in the chat box that it is clear. Just type clear in the chat box. Okay. Okay, if you are able to have understood the concept of social media auditing, just let me know in the chat box that you. Okay, okay, some confusion was there. Okay, so what about else? I want to know a little bit detailed. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. Little bit. Okay, fine. This is good. Okay. So, social media auditing is a process through which we know that how a brand is using social media to gain audience from social media platforms through their content. Okay. See, if we just create our social media handles and we do not create content for it, then our audience will never get to know about our services and what we do or what we do. Then they do not. Uh, Start an inquiry or something. Okay, one more thing is that how we can find metrics social media accounts of others. See, this is we cannot exactly find the every metrics of social media account of other competitors. Okay, we can only know the metrics, but a general overview through our observation, we can see that this business is using more of videos. Okay, this business is using more of image content. This business is not very active on Instagram. This business is very active on LinkedIn. Okay, this business use Pinterest. Okay, so every businesses have their like how they are make the most of it of any social media platforms. Okay, so this is the point, Lavi, here that we cannot get the exact numbers of other social media handles. Okay, but we can get an observation that how they what they are doing by looking at their comment section, by looking at their likes. Okay, so these things are visible to all of us, right? So we have to make a summary out of it. Okay, we had to make a summary out of it. So first of all, we before auditing any social media account of any business, we will start with one account. Okay, like Instagram, we have chosen Instagram account of. So we have to find what they are lacking. Yes, we have to find their merits and demerits. Okay, so that we can use it for our own benefit. Getting my point. For example, if some business is not using videos and videos are on trending, okay, then you being a social media executive or manager, okay, you can recommend or you can start creating video more. Okay, because for example, if we take example, before TikTok was not banned, okay, so everyone was using TikTok. Okay, okay, Ashmita. Okay, okay, Ashmita. Okay, so first of all, let me give a little bit brief already here. When TikTok was not banned, everyone in India was using TikTok. Okay, so the audience engagement on TikTok was very much okay. And then when TikTok banned in India, what happened is that Instagram came up with a feature Reels. Okay, it is now still in trending, that people started shifted to on Instagram. Okay, now they are starting creating reels on Instagram. So for the early adopters of that feature, okay, those businesses who adopted this feature, or those people who adopted this feature are have gained more engagement in comparison to those who didn't. Okay, so this is the point, that how a brand is leveraging multiple social media platforms, or out of multiple social media platform, how they are connecting with their audience. This is the motive of doing a social media audit. Okay, and yes, engagement means like or comments. Okay, when we subscribe to a particular channel, when we like some video, when we like some post, when we like some reels, when we save some reels, okay, or when we comment on it, these all are known as engagement. Okay, when we do engagement, the algorithm of Instagram or Facebook thinks that algorithm means some automated rules that is behind the social media, that caters the all the, like, who which post will be more visible to audience. Okay, so for example, in Instagram page, explorer page, okay, the explorer page, where you see all the content which is all the content of people and businesses which you do not follow, but you still see it, right? Why? Because those posts or creatives, those images have gained enough engagement that they are now shown on uh, Explorer page. Okay, guys. So are you able to comprehend this much as of now? Like the example that I've quoted you? Yeah, viral content. Every viral content is viral because there is a lot of engagement. There is a lot of engagement on that post. Okay, so the algorithm of Instagram and Facebook thinks that this image or this particular video has been gaining more attention, so it should reach to more people. Okay. Okay, so let's take one assignment. So this assignment is submitted by Adira. Okay, so she has done the analysis of H&M. So H&M is a clothing brand. Okay, so H&M is a clothing brand, and okay, so Facebook handle is H&M, Instagram handle is H&M, Instagram. Okay, so H&M has multiple brands that they are catering, like H&M and Man. So they have a separate account for man, and Instagram for like kids. They have a separate social media account, Instagram account, Home, Beauty, India, and Pinterest and LinkedIn. Okay, so these are so this is great analysis. Now, what we can make out of it, this thing is that they are using multiple social media and Instagram handles, so that they create targeted content for only men. So men can follow this channel, okay, and kids can follow this channel, or the mothers of kids that can follow this Instagram handle. Okay, and if you want home decoration tips on it, they are separating the home handle. So what we can understand here is that H&M has multiple varieties, but multiple interest areas that they are making the products. But now they have separate accounts. It means that they are now very much focused. Okay. For example, if the only Instagram handle of H&M is this, then it will be more difficult for audiences to gain more wears, kids wear, home decor and beauty, and particularly all these things. Okay, and okay now. mm, so who is the owner of these social media handles? So their social media team. So are those all the accounts are verified? See, verified account has more authority and like more people respect it. Okay, that it is verified. It means that they are a very legit company or something. Okay, so every businesses want to get a verified, but verification happens only when you are very like your news is like people are talking about you on newspapers, social media and blogs, articles. Okay, you are a published author or something. Okay, so when you gain a celebrity status, something brand or a personal being, when I get a status of a celebrity, for example, Narendra Modi account is verified, some Bollywood actors account are verified because they are in some category of celebrity. Instagram, social media platform, do not want other people to create a take some benefit out of the audience. So that's why the verification process is the blue tick is there on Twitter as well, on Facebook as well, on Instagram as well. Fine. Okay. So yeah. So their mission statement is written. Okay. KPIs. Okay. Key performance indicator. Uh, okay. So they have this much over this average engagement. Okay. Comments are this much. Like they have posted these many posts along with these many followers. Okay, like they have 2.2 million followers or what, or many. Now now which is the top content, which is the most recent content? Keep deactivate, what is this? Okay, now Adira has made some point. Doesn't have a very active audience on Facebook. So the observation, okay, that they are not very they do not have on Facebook. It means that if you start your own brand, if you start your own clothing brand, okay, then it might be possible that you should not focus on very much on Facebook. You should more focus on Instagram. Okay, because they have more followers and they have created a hell lot of posts here compared to the images. Okay, the response on IG reels and IGTV is quite high as compared to the images, so they should be used more actively. Okay, so this is the observation, guys. Okay, see, the engagement on images is not so much in comparison to IG reels and IGTV. Okay, okay, some you can read it here. You can read it here. Okay, so it's not very well formatted. That's why I don't know why it's not. Just a second. As you can see, it doesn't have any very see. Do not focus on the. You have this these sheet over the WhatsApp group. You can just download and read every other your mates sign. Okay, and get some insights. Okay, so just focus on my voice as of now. Okay. So the bio is very impressive. Real marketing could increase response. Post could be deactivate. The account doesn't have a lot of followers, but the response is quite less on the post. Could be deactivated. Okay, okay. And do not give these kind of response that account should be deactivated. Okay, it should your response should be like what you can do what they should do to gain more engagement. Okay, because you are being a social media expert, no? That's why. Okay, people are using the account to take fashion advice and recreating look. Okay, Twitter is mainly used for does not have any response but can continue to keep the ongoing news. Okay, as you can see, many brands use Twitter to help the audience. Like Samsung Twitter account, mainly people complain there. Okay, so their team really take the response and feedback from there. Okay, now this is okay. So here you have to link all the. Mhm. See, the SWOT analysis of the like the strength is well-established brand can easily introduce new product because they have already very reputation in the market. H&M can easily introduce new brands and products. Okay, weakness is don't use reels actively. Okay, so this is the weakness the brand should use. Uh, Threat says it has a higher number of followers. This is not a threat. This is not a threat. Okay, the threat could be that other brand are using their content or like something like that. Okay, opportunities is that one has one account for all range. No, no, this is not like has one account for all range. I didn't got this point. Okay, moving ahead. Okay, now taking someone else, Aditya. Okay. So she has art philosophy, okay, art psycho, okay, art philosophy. So she has done the audit of this brand, okay, like art philosophy, okay, and the channel owner is Pooja Kenjli Umrani, okay. Though account are not verified, these are the statement written on the bio section. Okay, the KPIs are like key performance indicator is that they use art posts and reels. Okay, art related videos and images, art tutorials, and art posts. Okay, so these are KPIs that gain more engagement over the social media platforms. Okay, and top content is like their most recent post. They have linked the most recent post. Okay, so the reason being of checking out the recent posts is that what they are currently doing, and if you are going to start your own brand, what things you will do. Okay, like the trending thing. Okay, so you can keep an eye on your competitor what they are doing, and you can replicate the same for your own brand instead of thinking out how you will do it, what you have to do, and everything. Engagement is good, can use more reels to promote, can more, yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so these are individual analysis. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, so this is a Ghosh, and she has done the analysis of Amul brand. Okay, and every social media account is verified. Now your views are on this, that share your stories on Instagram. And the KPIs are IGTV and Reels. On Facebook, have you not provided any your notes? What is your observations? Okay, okay, and you have not filled up these things. Okay, so first of all, you have to analyze each and every this thing like Instagram account, then Facebook, then Twitter if available. Okay, and then you have to write the summary. Okay, because after analyzing each account, then you will get to know the then you will get to know about the summary thing. Okay. Okay. So this Coralist blog, okay, Ankita Chaturvedi. So Instagram is verified. Mission statement is championing body confidence, educate about various health and something KPIs, the IGTV reels. So most of the things are that Instagram, like as you can see, all of the you people have mentioned that IGTV and reels are very much active on social media platform. Okay, so that is the thing that if you start your own brand, you have to use that. Okay, so I'm not going to look at each and every assignment because everything is similar now. Okay, so shall we move ahead, guys? Would be another topic? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so today we talk about something about Facebook. Okay, so one of the platform, and later we will talk about Instagram. Okay, because these are some major platform that people have to use, and most of the audience are here only. Okay, most of the audience are mostly active on Facebook and Instagram, like in billion of numbers worldwide. And if you are able to create a community or good content, okay, then you will be able to scale your business. Okay, so we will talk about Facebook and Instagram, and then I will give you the assignment for today. Okay, so let's go to Instagram. Okay, so we will talk first about Instagram account. Instagram, you maybe already be familiar with this. You may be actively using it. Okay, no issues in that. Sir, we use social media audit as a growth strategy for companies? Yes, Rishiba. Yes, Rishiba. We can use social media audit of any brand. Then you can go to that brand and say that, hey, I have analyzed your here's my report on your social media audit of your brand, and I can help you in your growth. Okay, if you want me to help you, these are my service charges or something. You can go for a job there. Okay, you can do a particular internship there if you want. Okay, so yes, we can use social media audit. Okay, so this is social media account, so this is Instagram account, sorry. So all the people create content here. As you can see, reels are there, carousel posts are there. This is reels again. Okay, so you already be familiar with all these things, right? Now, how like uh, what if you are actively on Instagram, drop in your username in the chat box. How many of you are actively using Instagram? Drop in your username. Start. Do you remember your username? If yes, then mention it in the chatgram, no, not chatgram. It's okay. It's Art Attack. Awesome. Aditya Dikshit. Mahalakshmi 2017. Fine. What about so I've only received few usernames only, like 4 or 5. So if you do not use Instagram, just tell it like I do not use Instagram. It's fine. If you do not use Instagram, then you can also mention that I do not use Instagram. Okay, if someone is not using. Okay, okay. We'll wait for a minute. Okay, Rishba Beauty Meraki. Okay, so I'm going to use your Instagram handles to teach you what are the things that you need to improve upon. Okay, Kashish, no problem. We do not use Instagram. Okay, but for as of now, you will start using Instagram. Okay, I will tell you and how the best way of using Instagram. Okay, Rishika, no issues. Okay, so I'm going to open up each and every one of you in Instagram. Okay, Okay, so Umang is here. This is Umang. Okay, Umang, I'm going to follow you. Okay, Umang or Advaita. Okay, you are also not actively using your Instagram. Fine. It's Art Attack. Let's see. Okay, this is not very active account. Mahalakshmi. Let's see. It's no problem that if you are not actively using Instagram. Okay. Okay, Mahalakshmi has only 4 posts. Hmm. And do follow each like you guys can follow each other because you now know the each other account name. Okay. Soumya is also not using actively Instagram. She has only 54 posts. Rishba, let's see. Okay, Paradhi. Okay, 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 okay. That's my account. That's my blog account, sir. Okay, Rishba. Okay, so we'll take example from your Instagram account only, and we will see that how you can use it. Okay, so if how you can use social media for gaining services, gaining leads for your businesses, and if you are doing digital marketing, especially if you are a freelancer, if you are a job professional, or if you are in a job. Okay, so we will see how we can use Instagram for the best. Okay, for the best. Okay, now I will also show you some of the Instagram accounts that are actually doing very good on Instagram, and they are generating leads for their businesses. Okay, and how they are doing it, we will also analyze. Okay, so let's start with your account analysis first. Okay, let's see Umang what's 2607. Okay, so whenever you, if it is a personal account, if it's a business account, always remember that you should need a very short, crisp, and rememberable username. Okay, always remember this. Okay, so if Umang can remove this 2607, then it will be much better. If he can find something alternative that there is not 2607, because it is not very rememberable. Okay, that's why. Okay, so first of all, the first step is choosing a username is very important. That if you are able to get some username through your brainstorming, that username which is more remember, easy to remember. Okay, so that is the first part. Okay, then the second part, then it's but Umang, you can also think about something else. Okay, I will show you the alternatives. Okay, so like here you have to like give some brainstorming here. Okay, you will not find your username because people have already registered with it, so you have to be a creative here, show some creativity here in your username as well. Okay, so you can use like umang dot vats. Okay, so अभी अभी हम कभी भी ठीक है, if you are using Instagram for uh, like getting opportunities or something, okay, we will not use some kind of these type of bio. Okay, okay, although we will never use it. Okay, we will never use it, like we will never showcase like our caste, religion, and our all the hobbies or something. Okay, so change your bio, but since you are not very actively using your Instagram, it's fine. Okay, So whenever you use your Instagram for generating leads, sales, business, or you want to grow your own brand, okay, grow your own brand, then you need a proper bio. Okay. Now Aditya is not very active. Okay, and do not mention like your age or something. Okay, another account, art or okay, you can see my artwork here. Okay, okay, so yeah, this has 62 posts. Awesome. Okay, so if you are using, see, this username is very good. This username is in which she has got aditya.dikshit. Okay, if you're not able to get your username, you can use the dot in the between of your first name and last name. Okay, this is actually good. Okay, so you can try this. No problem, Umang. Okay, now we will see Art Aura. Now, as you can see, admin is Aditya Dikshit. Okay, she is the owner of this brand Art Aura. Okay, now if she wants to gain more uh, leads for her business, she want to increase the brand visibility of her initiative Art Aura. What she has to do is, see, you do not mention your age when you are when it is a business account, when it is your idea. Okay, you do not mention this. Okay, you can mention this like creator at the rate who is creating all these artwork, just following my dreams. This is not very apt. Okay, this is not very apt. Now acrylic, watercolor, oil painting, craft, this is good that you are into these four things. Okay, DM for order and details, this is good. This is good. Okay, now what else you can do it, there's a link, there's a website, Linktree. Okay, Linktree, this is the website. Okay, so this is the website which you can use to this is the website where you have to sign up, and you can create multiple links. Okay, for example, this is my bio, this is my Linktree link. Okay, so here I have mentioned that my work portfolio. So whenever I generate leads for my freelancing business, okay, so what I do is I have mentioned this link over my Instagram, my work portfolio schedule strategy session, and join my Facebook community. Okay, so I have a Facebook group as well where I share digital marketing tips and everything. Okay, so and here as you can see, I have mentioned all my social media handles. Okay, so you guys can also mention your WhatsApp number here. You can do all the apart from mentioning this DM for order and dates, it's good. But also Instagram has a feature of adding your website. Okay, so if you do not have your particular website, you can use this. Okay, linktree dot just create an account on Linktree. This is the website. Okay, and create these multiple links. Fill up all the information. Okay, so this is a little bit session from my side, Art Aura. Let's see the post. Post, everything is very nice, very beautiful artworks. Okay, moving ahead. Okay, so its art attack do not have any much post. Okay, and this needs to be work upon. You need to work upon its art attack. It's fine. This is a good username. Okay, it's rememberable. Okay, Asmita. Okay, never use this kind of are not very easy to readable. Okay, never show creativity in these kind of things. Okay, because if people are not get you in one go, they will just move from your account. Okay, art speaks where word are unable to explain. Okay, but instead of using this line, okay, you have to mention the kind of artwork you are in, who do you help. Okay, what is your hobbies. Okay, and who is the admin if this is your brand name. Fine, this is good. Mahalakshmi. Okay, Mahalakshmi. Okay, I know you. Okay, I know you guys are now in college or in graduation. Okay, so when I was in graduation, I also used to create these kind of bio, and it's perfectly fine at that age that you are in. Okay, wish me on 21 post, super cool, enjoy each and every one. This is awesome. Okay, this shows some kind of positivity, and this is super cool. Okay. So what? But Mahalakshmi, you have to mention here is that what you are currently pursuing, what your currently hobbies, in which expertise you are good at. Okay, I will show you mine. I will show you mine profile as well. Okay, and also if possible, guys, use highlights. Okay, use highlights and choose a different cover for each highlights. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so Mahalakshmi 2017 should be omitted. If you can get a better username, please do that. Okay, little woman Jab. Okay, so Jab Ani Ghosh, one little suggestion: if this is your personal account, okay, then you should use your own username if it is available. Okay, do not use the although you can use it, but this is a little hard to remember. Okay, little hard to remember. If the username is like little underscore woman, then it's also fine. Okay. Nothing can define me. You also need to work upon your bio. Rest everything is fine. Okay, this is your personal account, it's fine. Whenever you your own brand account, just remember that you need a very rememberable bio name, short name. Okay, and it should be, and your bio should be perfected. Okay, and these are uh, um, the highlights. Okay, highlights are good. Samya, and her account is private. Still, the username is visible, the bio is visible. Even though it doesn't matter if you show your like your post, make it a public or private. Okay, your username and bio is still visible to your audience. Okay, and people still want to contact you for some brand. Never ever, also never ever make your business account private. Okay, never ever. Okay, never do that. Okay, if you want to build a brand. Okay, so this needs to work upon. You need a good name, omitting these things. Okay, you can also, like, if you use your first name, you can say braves.somya. Okay, something like that. Okay, okay. Rishba.beauty meraki. What is meraki? This is a word or something? Like, can anyone tell me? Or Rishba, can you tell me, like, meraki? What is this? Okay, the uh, posts are good. Okay, posts are good. Uh, posts are good. Creativity is awesome. Everything is awesome. Okay, these things. The highlights are also good. Okay, or instead of, as you can see, product, this product RE. Okay, this is not very visible, so you have to work on this. Okay, and also you have not. Uh, Okay, fine. Okay, okay. I didn't know that word meaning. Okay, thanks for telling me. Okay, Rishba, it's good that you have particularly mentioned that you are Rishba and you are users that you are a beauty blogger. This is actually very good. Okay, you should use this if you are building your own brand, then you should do this. Okay, and you need a proper bio. Okay, that you are into skincare, you are into you are into what is your expertise, who do you help. Okay, you help teenagers, you help millennials, you have adults, or it's just or it's very general thing, like you care for just skin or in fashion, beauty, everything. Okay, okay, now ahead. Also, do not use this is very uh, long username. Okay, you can just rishba.beauty. You can mention this only if you do not want to uh, meraki. Okay, because it's a little longer. Now Pradhi, Sneha Pardhi. Okay, so you need to work upon your, because you are not started. You're not just started. Okay. Now one more thing that I will tell you before we uh, always your DP, the DP of your Instagram profile should be more visible. Your face should be visible, and it should be more like better lightning and everything, so that people recognize you in one go. Okay, do not use, if it is a personal brand, if you do not have any logo yet. Okay, then use your own picture. Okay, if it's a personal account. Love is saying, okay, you also need to work upon your bio. Okay, okay. Now moving ahead, if I show you my Instagram account, although I do not very active on Instagram. Okay, but I do post things related to digital marketing. Okay, so as you can see in my Instagram account, I have chosen a username Krantesh.Singh. Okay, so this is very easy to remember because my name is Krantesh Singh, and I have posted on 184 posts. I have 189 followers, and I do follow 181 people. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have used the emojis. Okay, emojis, and then I have mentioned this. Like I help coaches, trainer, and consultants scale digitally. So it means that when someone of this category came onto my profile, they will easily get to know that this person, his name is Krantish, and he's a digital marketer. Okay, and he's a digital marketer, and the category that I've chosen for my business account is entrepreneur. Okay, marketing on automation. This especially means that I do automation in marketing. I do FB ad funnel building. Okay, I do especially webinar and leads generation specialist. Okay, so these are the terms that I have defined myself on Instagram. Okay, now that I have just used DM. If you have any inquiries, they can DM, and I have mentioned my link 3.krantesh. Okay, and here I have mentioned all the highlights that I have got five review section, COVID, taekwondo, yeah, like my trip to Kedarnath podcast, my YouTube channel, my Q&A sessions on Instagram, and these things. Okay, so and I have used a pattern. Okay, like a white background and the image. Okay, so use a pattern in your highlight section. Yes, Lavi, I have podcast. Okay, but currently it is not very active. In the last year, it is kind of active. And these are my social media. These are my social media posts. Okay, as you can see, I mostly talk about business related thing. This is my portfolio page. Okay, I do suffered from COVID in the month of April. Okay, and these are my IGTVs. Okay, and all the things. So it is more kind of a mixture of my personal things, and my professional things. Okay, but I'm now more inclined towards professional things. Okay, so this is mine. Now let me show you some other brands who are actually doing very good. Okay, let's see Beer Bicep. We all know him, right? He's awesome creator. Okay, see, he has this verified account. And his username is very easy to remember, Beer Biceps. And now he has used his whole name, Ranveer Alavadia. He's chosen the category is entrepreneur, helping people heal and grow content. See, can you see this? This is what he has done. Podcast is hashtag the Ranveer Show co-founder. He's co-founder at these two brands. Okay, and he has mentioned his YouTube channel. Okay, so this is kind of intro that people should have. Okay, so you can as you can see, he has chosen a pattern. He has chosen a pattern in his Instagram feed. Okay, if you use a pattern in Instagram feed, it is much better. If you do not use Instagram pattern only, it is also much better. Okay, nobody will judge you. Okay, it is the more important is how much valuable content you are creating through. Okay, because I will show you some of the best of the Instagram accounts who do not use any pattern. The pattern here, it means that the middle section of the Instagram feed has only white posts, like thoughts, only thoughts, and other than that, and on the left and on the right are some IG reels. Okay, so this is known as patterning your Instagram, and it is actually very good. If you could maintain the consistency in your Instagram post, it is good. Okay, now let's take another section, another example. Mm, okay, let me find some account. See Saurabh Jain. Let's see the account of Saurabh Jain. He is a very good Instagram influencer. Okay, and he has just mentioned that his username is very rememberable. It is Blue Tick, and it is Saurabh and dash Instagram influencer. Okay, so he has given him a category. What we, what Soumya, what can we suggest? Okay, and as you can see, his bio is very Yeah, you can suggest. Just give me the name. I will go through it. Okay, so as you can see, digital marketer, his 5 book authored agency is this, institute is this, 200K plus trained free digital marketing course and paid course. Okay, and he has maintained a highlight section, which is very good. And as you can see, he do not have any kind of pattern that he is using. Okay, he is more focused on delivering the content. Okay, and still he has these number of followers through his only of content, and he regularly post. Okay, the only way to grow on Instagram is that if you post consistently on a daily basis, okay, or maintain like 3 days a week, okay, but you do not have to bother about uh, uh, like followers or something. Okay, okay, let's take example from Soumya Singh. She has that Boho girl. Okay, so she has the 1.2 million followers. Krit Khurana. Okay, cost. She has mentioned some of the points that can easily build her authority. Cost and quality and lifestyle influencer of the year 2020. So now she has won this award or something. Okay, inquiries because she has already built a brand around her personal name, okay, and her verified account. Both that girl, this the business email address that people can. She's from New Delhi, Kirta Khurana on YouTube. Okay, so this is the thing that she has mentioned here, and the her highlights section is not very good, I must say. Okay, but she is using her personal brand to grow over the internet, and it's really different from growing a business. Okay, so this is two different things that growing a celebrity account and growing a because celebrity people always do post about entertainment stuff. Okay, and people easily find this and content which is entertaining is like people have this they easily follow account those who entertain people, right? Okay, but when it comes to building a brand which is more focused on, let me show you this. So this is the Instagram page of Digital Scholar. Okay, so this is a very good page. For example, if some institute, okay, has to build on Instagram, so what they can do is they have to choose a good username, okay, good brand name, okay, then their bio should be very good. Okay, as you can see that these people have used emojis. Okay, India's first agency based digital marketing institute. So what is the USP is that they are agency based digital marketing institute. Where they are, we are in Chennai. How many people they have trained? This is Fiery. Matlab, this is like they have achieved something. Who is the founder? Saurav Jain. Find our courses here. Then the link. Okay, and these, just see the highlight section. Let me uh, see the highlight. These highlight images are created separately. Okay, these highlight images are created separately, as you can see, and everything is very fine. And now see there the quality of posts and the information that they give. They are using carousel posts, they are using reels. Okay, and just see this is a content that they were created very professionally. Okay, 5 ways to optimize your LinkedIn profile, all these things. Okay, so they use different tools to use create. They have also shared meme. Okay, so they are on so they use trending hashtags. They make reels. Okay, and that's how they have built their brand over social media platform on Instagram, and they have gained 9,752 followers. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to understand how the Instagram people are working, and how you can grow your profile on Instagram. Fine. Getting my point? Does any have anyone doubts? Because now I'm moving to how you have to use your Instagram hashtags. Is everything clear up to here? Tell me yes or no. Does anyone have any question or something? Okay, awesome. Now see that now people. Let me show you how the Instagram hashtag strategy that you have to use to gain more people. Okay, Okay. Now just see this post that I've written in the month of May. So what I've written, see, while posting content, if you are not using hashtags, it means that you are not able to attract other people's. Okay, because when we use hashtag, our post is actually shown in the Explorer page. Okay, so those people who are scrolling in the Explorer page, the chances are that they see your post. Okay. Okay, so we should use hashtag, and the maximum hashtag that we can use on Instagram handle is 30 hashtags. So in a particular post, we can use 30 hashtags. For example, if we the hashtag strategy works for those people who or brands who have started who have started using Instagram, or they want to generate more leads and business. Let me show you some of the okay, just a second. No, just see this page, okay? So this is the brand page, okay? Who is this is a marketing agency, and they are using these kind of informational posts on their Instagram so that they can build a brand, okay? Now just we look at their hashtags, okay? So as you can see that they have used these many hashtags. So what these hashtags will do is that they will be shown on Explorer page, and many people will attract towards this hashtag, because Instagram also provide the feature of following the hashtags. Okay, and when you follow a hashtag, you can also be seen. You can also see those posts as well. Okay, so these people have used hashtags here, and the best strategy for using a hashtag is this. Okay, so as we know that we can use 30 hashtags. Now, how we will break down these hashtags so that our post get maximum reach. Okay. Now, whatever content you are posting, okay, whatever content that you are posting, for example, your content is more about your content is about art. Okay, your content is about whatever painting that you have done. Okay, then you have to find 9 hashtags that have posted around half million and 1 million post. Fine, and then you have to uh, those who are popular. Okay, so 9 hashtag you have to find, you have to research related to the content that you are going to post. Okay, so those who are popular in your niche, and now again you have to find 9 hashtags which are less than 50K post. Okay, those who have 50K, less than 50K post, and it should be around your niche. For example, if you like painting, art and crafts, okay, these kind of hashtags must be having 50, like half a million to 1 million. And content hashtag second number is that acrylic painting, okay, water painting, watercolors, these could have 50, less than 50K post. Okay, and third is post tag. This means that like who is this post is for, like uh, for creative people हो गया, painters, artists, who is this post for? Okay, and then fourth is, then you have to find 3 local ones like Lucknow, Rajasthan, Jaipur. Okay, these local hashtags should be 3, and then you can use the 2 trending hashtags. Okay, like the family man was trending before. Okay, then you have to use 2 hashtags of these, and this way you will complete your 30 hashtags. Okay, and you can use this in your Instagram handle. Okay, let me share you the group link of my Facebook group. You guys can join this Facebook group where I share many things related to digital marketing. Okay, you can also uh, mm, comment or ask anything related to here. Okay, So is the content has strategies like, have you understood the content strategy? Okay, I will share this link in the WhatsApp group. In your WhatsApp group, I will also share this. Okay, no problem. Where is your WhatsApp group? Yeah, you can read this post more. Okay, Levi. Okay. So as you can see, this my Facebook group has 374 members. Okay, and this is the group that I started in last year. From last year, I'm managing this group and I post content related to this only digital marketing. I do not talk anything else here. Okay, so you can so there are many posts related to many topics I have posted here. Okay, so you can um, read and gain some insights. Okay, always and stay up to date. Hmm. Okay, this is the post that I've shared in the WhatsApp group. Now, for today's assignment, what you have to do is you have to create your. You can either choose your Instagram handle, optimize it. Okay, you can or you have to optimize it, your username, your name, your bio, okay, and everything. Okay, you have to, and also you can see, my bio has the some words are very bold. Okay, but Instagram do not allow these kind of features. Okay, like they do not have this by default. So what you use, you can use a tool known as stylish text generator. Okay, I will also share. No, not this, not this. Sorry, not this one. AI text. Okay, so this is the tool that you can use to make your bio even more interesting. Okay, so here are the many styles that are given. Okay, so you can choose whatever style that you want to put in your bio. Okay, and you can make your bio something like mine. Okay, so that it will gain some more visibility. Fine. So I'm going to share you this link on WhatsApp group only, so that you can do it. Okay, so your assignment for today is you have to choose a better username for yourself. If you already have, do not do that. Okay, then you have to choose a good name for yourself. You can also use your personal name, no issues in that. Okay, and then you have to use emojis and write about your bio. Okay, if in the first go you are not able to gather ideas, then you please visit other people account. Okay, to which you are inspired from. Okay, and then you can see how they have used their bio. Okay, then replicate that to your own. Okay, so the assignment will be you have to do these things. Okay, and and that's it. Okay, this will be your assignment, and if anything um, else is needed, I will tell you in the next session. Okay, so that's all for today. And also you have to use a better DP. Okay, which is more visible, which is like people can see your face. Okay, let me show you mhm. So does anyone anyone has any question, they can ask if they have any question. uh, Later I will also take a graphic design session, that how I have created the designs and everything. Okay, how you can create content for your brand. Okay, on other brand also. See, as you can see, this is the account of of a girl, Meher Labana. Okay, she is a Her name is Meher, and she is an online business coach. Got it? She is an online business coach, and this is her DP. As you can see, face is very much visible. This is she has created via Canva, okay, and helping you convert your skills into online business. Okay, so she has written specifically that I'm sharing tips to grow on Instagram effortlessly, applying my 10-week intensive program, and this is the link. Okay, and also you can see the highlights are very good. Okay, and the content, so she is using a pattern, okay, in her Instagram post, that one will be white, one will be black, one will be white, one will be black. Okay, as you can see, all the posts are following a pattern. Okay, and this is very good, and that's the reason that she has grown to this like 18.4K followers. Okay, that she really give more time to her content. Okay, and she uses both reels, she uses reels, carousels, infographics, and everything. Okay, her content is very much valuable. Okay, guys, so you also have to align these many things so that you can also grow on Instagram. Okay, so today's assignment is in your brain now. Okay, so let's end the session now, and we call it for a date for today, and do the assignment. And you have to post your screenshots in the group itself. Okay, like whatever bio you have done, and okay, and you can also connect with each other. Okay, you can follow each other and help each out if you face any kind of issues. Okay, yes, you can create a new one. Okay, you can create a new one, no issues in that. Also create a new Instagram account with your uh, phone number. Okay, that we all do. No, all right, people, bye bye, have a nice day. Do the assignment, do your whatever hustle you are putting on. If anyone has any issues, that they can ask in the group. Okay, bye bye, leaving the session now. You're welcome. Welcome everyone.